Hello Seekers, welcome to Puneet's Astrology, your one-stop astro channel. Welcome to the 21 video series in which I'm talking about different planets and 12 rashis so that you get to know better about Vedic astrology basics. So let us try to understand a bit more information about the planet Jupiter. Do not forget to like, subscribe and share and hit the bell icon so that you never miss another update. Jupiter, the largest planet of the solar system, is also known as Brihaspati, who is also Guru of the gods. That is why he is known as Devguru Brihaspati. Jupiter is basically a planet of wisdom, a planet of knowledge, a planet of wise mentality. Jupiter controls the realm of all the information and what you are going to do with that information. So if Jupiter is positive, that means not only you will get wealth, prosperity and high wisdom in your life, but this also means that you are going to get good mentorship, good gurus in your life that will guide you into the path of life towards success, brilliance and optimism. Jupiter is a planet which represents wealth and prosperity. So Jupiter is a planet that defines not only religion, not only spirituality, but it also defines your karma and your dharma. So apart from the planet Saturn, Jupiter is a unique planet that actually makes you understand the role of your soul in this particular planet and why you are born on this planet. Jupiter rules two zodiac signs. One is Sagittarius, which is the 9th zodiac, and the other zodiac is Pisces, which is the 12th zodiac. Jupiter will have three nakshatras associated with him. The nakshatras are Punarvasu, Vishakha and Purva Bhadrapad. Jupiter is a planet of spirituality and defines religion and religious ideologies, and also Jupiter defines the social wisdom and the mental balance of human body and human mind. Jupiter defines any karma that is associated with dharma, be it religion, be it meditation, mantra and all sorts of such spiritual knowledge is what Jupiter carries. Jupiter is a zodiac that gets exalted in the sign of Cancer, which is the natural 4th house, and gets debilitated in the sign of Capricorn. Jupiter is a very strong and powerful planet, and each transit happens it takes 13 months to cross over a particular zodiac, and the transit of Jupiter is very important because it is one of the 4 major transits that actually shapes not only your life but the life of humanity in totality. Jupiter is also known as Jivakaraka, that means one who defines and gives and understands life. So all the biology is what comes under the domain of Jupiter. Jupiter is also known as Putrakaraka and it is also known as Vivahakaraka. So without the blessing of Jupiter, marriage may not be possible. So the blessing of Jupiter in the transit in the Mahadasha, Antardasha is very much important. And Jupiter therefore controls a very significant phase, a very significant portion of our life. And the positivity of this planet is very much essential. Jupiter is considered as a natural benefic planet, which is there to give you the wisdom and the success. So guys, that was a brief information about Jupiter. Next video will be on Saturn, so stay tuned.